Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the watch battery on your Timex 2016 cell type. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy watch tutorials, videos about watches and vintage watches, please consider subscribing, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description below. So if you have a Timex watch just like this one or a similar model and the battery is dead, you will need to take the battery out and replace it with a new type. And if you take the strap out, if you have a NATO strap, or you simply look on the back of your watch, you will be able to see this number CR 2016 cell. So this is the exact battery type that you will find inside your watch and also that you need to purchase in order to replace it. Now, in order to open your watch, close it and replace the watch battery, you might need a few basic watchmaker tools such as a case opener, a pair of tweezers, a battery, a watch press. So I would suggest going online in order to purchase the basic watchmaker toolkit where you have most of the watchmaker tools that you need in order to open your watches, to replace the watch batteries, and to start working on watches. And you might also need a watch press because at the end you will need to press down the back of the watch so that it gets back in its initial position. So I will leave a link in the description below with all those tools and also a link to the watch battery. As you can see, CR 2016. So you can either go and purchase packs of 5 or 10 or individual batteries. So in order to open the watch, you will be able to see here a small arrow that shows you where to open the watch. We will use the case opener in order to open the snap-off back. And then we have access to the watch battery. As you can see, CR 2016. I will take this one out. Make sure to be very gentle with Timex movements, just like this one. So the CR 2016 or the CR 1216, because these movements are very fragile. And if you push them or apply too much pressure, you can actually damage the watches. So here we have the battery and we will gently put it inside. As you can see, apply a little bit of pressure and now the battery is in. And as you can see, the watch is ticking. So guys, this is how you replace the watch battery on your Timex 2016 cell type. Then you will need to take the back, place it back, and either push it with your thumbs in case you can do so on some type of Timex watches. Otherwise, you will need a watch press, just as mentioned. And that is how you press back in the snap-off back on these watches. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you can now replace the watch battery on your CR 2016 cell. If so, please consider subscribing, like this video, leave a comment, and also check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. Once again, I will leave a link with everything that I have used in this video so that you can go and purchase the battery, the watchmaker toolkit, the watch press, and you can now start working on your watches, replacing the watch batteries by yourself. Thank you guys and see you on the next one.